boys and girls, grandfathers and mamas and grandfathers and everyone, because today we are going to be racing our monster truck with Roman's, which is actually the cameraman right now, with Roman's brother, which is actually very intimidating for some reason.
Yeah, monster truck action!
And I have no idea why I told this baby to do it, but okay. Now he's going to do a monster truck jam all the way to that place, all the way back down, and nobody's going to like this race. But I will. Wink, wink. All right. Now, first up, we got a monster truck that's going to jump in there. Woohoo! Ready for action. He's going up, and he's going up, 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 up. Oh, get down, and that was such a relief. He didn't even land on his tires. All right, second monster truck is going up, and fell down and not on his tires like the other one. Trying the next one. He's going up, 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 and is he gonna make it on his tires? Let's just hope. And he's going down, and close. This is a very hard race, you see.
Look, where he comes.
He is coming. And now, another one. Up, 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 up. Oh, backwards up. Cool. Up, 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 up. And coming. Down, 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 down. And almost. Oh, and he got himself flipped over again. By the way, what's happened to the dragon? Oh, dragon's getting away. Two monster trucks at a time. Oh, this will be fun. Uh-oh, whoa, whoa. And one of them actually, I think, made it. Woo! That was the first one I ever saw that made it.
Now monster trucks win.
Yep, monster trucks win. All right, so I guess he's the winner.
One more time.
All right, one more time. All right, the ultimate finale. And going up farther, farther, farther. He's going up, 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 farther, farther. Down he goes, and did he make it? Did he make it? Did he make it?
Yeah.
And he made it. All right, everyone, that's for today's Monster Truck Show. If you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And by the way, subscribe if you're new. Anyways, bye.
Okay, which way is your head?